Hello, my name is Owen and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's very simple and straightforward. What is Hulu? What is Hulu? I've been hearing Hulu that, Hulu this. Hulu is the next big thing, the next best site you can make money from. So I did a couple of research, and yeah, I did the research for you guys so that you can enjoy the content, so that you can invest in the right way on the right websites and the best companies. So I did the research on Hulu, and spoiler alert, Hulu is actually a Ponzi scheme. So in a sense, you'd ask yourself, what is a Ponzi scheme? So a Ponzi scheme is a type of scheme where you're required to invest money into a company and get like 20% interest or 50% interest. In a way that how they operate is very simple. You will give them money, right? Let me say you are A, you give them money. They'll get that money and take it to a new member who's B. Wait. If you didn't subscribe, please, I'm begging, for the sake of the one who's up there, subscribe. If you just think my content is lit, subscribe. If you think it's not okay, still subscribe. If you think it's alright, subscribe. So yeah, like I said, they'll get money from A, take it to B, and then when B is okay to say, oh, this company is legit, I've actually made a withdrawal, they'll get that money and he's going to invest more because he's been given a test, right? He's going to invest more. After investing that money, they'll get that money and take it back to A. And A will be like, oh, I'm pleased, let me invest more. Because I'm getting, imagine, everyone knows Easy Task, knows Go Like that was the concept, right? Then at the end of it, what happens? Gone. At the end, they'll get from B, A, and together, gone. So that's what a Ponzi scheme is. So lately, I have been analyzing and looking at what people need and the things that people really need. They really need a site that's legit. So I'm not going to do a tutorial about Hulu. I'm just going to tell you the truth about it. First and foremost, please, if you're a Zambian, I've been seeing scams lately online about getting a job by Hungry Lion, by what? All scams. If you're a Zambian, this goes to all my YouTube subscribers, even if you're not yet my YouTube subscriber. Please, it's not a scam. These things that are here right now, they are fake. Please don't fall for this. Thank you. Then the other thing about Hulu is you cannot make a withdrawal. I tried it. Actually signed in. I tried it. You can't make a withdrawal. This company is based off South Africa. It was actually created in South Africa. So if a link is sent to you, so join, please, for as long as you know this channel has given you but nothing but the best, follow my advice. Keep your money. If you want to try it, you can try it in a way that you just refer to your friend, but do not invest money into the company. Do not deposit any money. Do you know how it's capturing the mind of people? It being Hulu. Everyone knows Hulu. Hulu, the streaming platform, that is like Netflix, right? People think as if Hulu, the streaming platform, is actually the one sponsoring Hulu. The Hulu, this one that I'm talking about right now, they're totally different things. I researched and they're not in line. Okay? So look at where you're putting your money in. Make sure you know where you're spending your money in. Same as cryptocurrency as well. I have a video on the guidance that you need for you to have a better mindset or strategy on how to handle cryptocurrencies and everything like that. It's there. You can check it in my videos. I have it. So you guys, that was just the awareness I wanted to bring to you. Hulu, it's a Ponzi scheme. Be careful what you do. I would advise for all my subscribers not to invest in Hulu, because today, I promise you today, or let me say next week, after this same video, I've got a surprise for you. The best way you can actually make money off the internet. So that was the end of your time. Please, thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for being just thank you for your support. It's your boy Owen signing out. If you're new, please subscribe. I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. Very soon, I'm going to reach 1K subs. Immediately we reach 1K subs, I really promise. For the sake of the one who's up there.